Hi, I'm Jimmy Dillon with the West Central Building Trades, and today you're going to learn about some key opportunities with various crafts that we offer. If you're looking for a career, keyword apprenticeship, no cost to you for schooling, decent benefits, great pay, and an awesome middle class lifestyle, this is the opportunity for you.
Hi, I'm Mike Lannon. I'm a business agent for Plumbers and Pipefitters, Local 25. I cover the Quincy area. Work outlook for Quincy the next 5 years looks very good. We're looking for new plumber apprentices. If you're interested, go to WWLU25 and that will give you all the information you need about our apprenticeship and about our union. We're always looking for apprentices, and if you got any questions, you can always call me at 309-429-0174. Thank you.
My name's Steve Merrill. I'm the business rep for Electricians Local 34 here in Quincy. I cover a 5-county area in this West Central Illinois. We have contractors like Brown Electric and Max Limited, you might have seen around the area. Working at the hospital, we do school work, work all over. Work here's been extremely good for the last 5 or 6 years. It looks to remain that way for the next 4 or 5 with the upcoming Illinois Veterans Home project that we have. If you're interested in a career that has pensions, health insurance, and all that, give me a call anytime. My number is 309-645-4903. We have a 5-year apprenticeship program that teaches you as you learn, earn as you learn. You get paid while you're working, and you also go to school. And our school's right here in Quincy, Illinois. You don't have to travel out of the area for that. My office is here. And so we're located here at 1900 Harrison in Quincy. The phone number for my office is 217-222-0818, or my cell is 309-645-4903, and I can get you in touch with the training director for the apprenticeship or anything else you would need.
Good day, I'm John Garst, Sheet Metal Workers. I'm with Sheet Metal Workers Local 91. I cover 13 counties within Iowa and Illinois. What we are offering is a 5-year apprenticeship program. Part of the apprenticeship program is classroom, and the other part is actually out in the shop area. They'll teach you fabrication, welding, and if you happen to want to get into the HVAC technical service side, they'll actually teach you the service side, be a serviceman. After 5 years, you'll graduate as a journeyman, and throughout this whole program, we offer earn while you learn. Plus, on top of it, you get all your classroom and all your teaching is all paid for throughout the local. It costs you nothing out of pocket. Plus, on top of that, we offer excellent retirement, an annuity, and our insurances all included within a package. Right now, there's a lot of work in the Quincy area, and we're hoping to get some individuals, young and old, doesn't matter, male and or female. We're looking for everybody and anybody at this time. If you're interested in the HVAC part, and or if you'd like to do anything with metal or welding, we offer you to come to our program. If you would like to become interested in this, please contact me at my phone number is 319-759-3814, or you can go to our website, which is sheetmetalworkerslocal91.org. Thank you.
I want to thank you for taking time to listen about some key opportunities with a few of the crafts that we have today. And those are just a few of the many options that we offer. There's other crafts, and if you're interested in anything in construction, please visit westcentralbtc.org, and in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a link for apprenticeships. Hit that, research it, see if any of those career opportunities strike you, and apply that way. Or if you would have any questions, please call our office and we can help direct you to the right place. Good luck on your future. Thanks.
What's the number one thing you look for when you're hiring an employee?
But definitely when you have a great attitude in your interview, phone interview, whatever interaction we have, we definitely take that into consideration. But while there are very many other requirements, attitude goes a long way.
Sure. This is Tara from Ibro. I can add that consistency as a worker, whether that's showing up on time, being a team player, contributing to the work, coming up with ideas, to be consistent in what you do is something that we're looking for.
Name some of those skills that individuals need no matter where they go.
I mentioned a couple: teamwork, attention to detail. So the work that you're doing in school to provide quality homework or projects that you're working on, the quality and attention to detail that you bring to those are very valuable in the workplace. Just working with other people, just like at school.
With the West Central Building Trades, and I'll just say for the students listening is math. No matter what you do, math is important. And don't sweat it now if you think math is hard in school. What it's doing is setting you up for later. And I'll use an example of math in the book might not make sense to you, but if I put you in a building and you like building things and telling you how to do 45-degree angles for a pipe or figure that out, that might make sense to you and it's relatable. So don't get frustrated in your math classes now, but no matter what you do in any job you have to have math. So just understand there'll be people there later in life to help train you and work with you to make sure that it is relatable. And then you might become the best mathematician around, but it's relatable to you.
I would add some of what others have said. One is just the ability to show up. I've been getting out of bed for 40 years to go to work, and I can't say that every day I want to do that, but that's really important. I've only been at Adams for 8 or 9 months. It's a completely different field for me. And what I've found that I think you students may like is the fact that whether you're working in the field as a splicer in construction, or you're working in the offices in accounting or marketing, everybody is willing to help you. As I said, this is a completely different field for me, and it has been fun to learn, but you have to come in with an attitude. I don't care if you're 18 or you're where I am. You have to come in with an attitude. I want to learn, I want to be part of this, and I want to make sure that what I do matters every day.